A 2-year-old Ludlow boy is dead. His mother charged. Lauren Baker was in court today. She's been charged with murder, importing fentanyl, and trafficking in a controlled substance. Police believe Jackson Baker, that's her child, ingested the drug while she was asleep.
The issue with fentanyl really is not only its strength, is that it takes very little of it to have an impact.
New at 11, fentanyl is now being considered a drug staple by local experts, as they say they're seeing numbers in the tri-state rise, even matching overdose numbers related to cocaine and meth. WCPO 9 News reporter Jake Ryle is looking into the local case and the disturbing trend of fentanyl becoming more available on the streets.
New details are emerging in the death of 2-year-old Jackson Baker.
She admitted to, or told police, that she took a shot, which was referring to a shot of fentanyl, before going to sleep with her child.
According to the Ludlow police report, 33-year-old Lauren Baker passed out Thursday afternoon. When she woke up, her 2-year-old boy wasn't responding. What had been inside her purse, fentanyl, was scattered across the bed. Police believe he ingested some. Rob Sanders, Kenton County Commonwealth's attorney, says Jackson was found lying in Baker's lap.
I don't think you need to be a toxicologist or have a medical degree to figure out that consuming fentanyl may significantly impact your ability to wake up and be cognizant of the fact that your child is getting into your purse where you keep your fentanyl.
The police report shows Baker bought fentanyl in Cincinnati on Saturday with her stimulus check. She returned to Ludlow, dealing out some of it to 2 other people. Local drug experts started tracking fentanyl use in 2012, and in 2020, the number of overdose deaths related to fentanyl was double what it was 8 years prior. Newtown Police Chief Tom Synan says there were more than 430 overdose deaths in Hamilton County last year.
The issue with fentanyl really is not only its strength, is that it takes very little of it to have an impact.
Synan shows an example of a deadly amount of heroin and compares it to synthetic opiates like fentanyl and carfentanil, where less is needed to have a deadly impact. And he says by the time it hits the streets,
from a local level or from anyone responding, is we are constantly in emergency mode. We're constantly responding to overdose after overdose.
In Hamilton County, there's on average 50 to 70 overdoses every week. Synan says 90% of those are fentanyl related. It's become as common as meth and cocaine. And because less is needed, it's harder for law enforcement agencies to crack down.
It's hard to find, it's hard to intercept, and when it actually gets to the street, it's too late.
Jake Ryle, WCPO 9 News.
Well, Baker's 2 other children are currently living with relatives. They were not home at the time of the incident. The Kentucky Cabinet for Families and Children is conducting an investigation to ensure that they are safe.